Imagine that huge on Charlie in her life. Charlie, what would you do if I was
There's just no telling how far I'll go. I know
Did you just burp?
everybody on this island seems so happy on this island.
Can y'all stop?
How did you do that? Teach me.
I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine.
How did you
Make us strong, I'll be satisfied. I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song.